a lot of pole dancers struggle with figuring out what position to be in as they are doing a body roll and going through the motion. So we're gonna break down step by step how you can get that smooth roll that you are looking for, along with some tips to leveling it up to be more on the slope of your heel today. As we break down body rolls today, the first thing I want to talk about is how we can get the roll to look nice and smooth and not like we are very awkward. I'm going to start with slightly bent knees. If you want to level this up, you can go on your toes. If not, you can keep your heels on the ground. Either way is fine. We are going to start by doing a cat position is what I'm going to call it. So we're going to arch our back and we're going to bring our head into the pole, slowly bring our chest up, pelvis in, and then we will come back in a concave cow position. So arch and then concave. Arch and then we concave. Once you've mastered the upper body movement, then we can think about our lower body. So as we come down, we can stick our booty back, start with an arch. As we come up, we can straighten our legs, straight arch back, slowly trace the front of our body, go into that concave position, and back to the bent knees. And you can see that doing it up on the slope of the heel rather than having the heels down is a different aesthetic choice and can look really pretty while we are doing body rolls. One thing that I've found that can be really helpful while doing body rolls is to practice them a lot, because the more I practice them, the less I need to think about what my body is doing when I add them into a routine. And so I highly recommend playing with them and not overthinking them while you do them. My name's Jen, and thanks for joining us for Just the Tips.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Just the Tips, and we wish you the best of luck on your movement journey, darling.